Hi everyone, and welcome back for episode 3. Some of you are probably wondering where we've been for the last 2 weeks. The truth is, nowhere special. We were hiding from the weather. A storm arrived 2 weeks ago and has completely slaughtered any chances of fishing for us in the last 2 weeks. So basically what we had planned was we were going to visit some friends in Calafell. I did get some footage of that. The weather basically hit as we arrived. We were staying in the house with friends, so it was quite nice. We spent maybe one day where we actually did leave and go into Barcelona. Got some footage of that here, along with footage of Calafell town itself. After Calafell, when the weather subsided a little bit, we made our way over to Delta del Ebre, to where the Ebro actually enters the ocean. The weather got so bad that we couldn't even get near it. It's a lot of dirt roads and tracks to get there, and we just weren't going to risk it. We didn't think we'd get back. The weather was actually that bad, Gary couldn't stay in a tent. He had to rent himself a chalet. So we ended up staying on that site for 5-6 days. I did get to go and visit one of the canal systems that comes off of the River Ebro. It was actually a pretty cool pump station where it pumps water out of the canals and into the ocean essentially for runoff. The rest of the water that stays in there goes through canals which feed water to all the fields in the area for the farmers. It's a pretty cool system. So on Tuesday, Gary had decided he was going to visit some friends in Tarragona, asked me if I wanted to join. I didn't feel like heading that direction. I wanted to see some friends of my own in Barcelona, so we split ways just for a few days. Should be meeting back up tomorrow to go with the plan from there. I stayed at a campsite just outside Barcelona in a place called El Masnou. Very quiet little town right on the coast. I also went out to look at the ocean. I noticed there was a lot of people surfing and I thought, that looks good, maybe I'll try it out. So just look at this next clip. You'll see me out in the ocean here. There I am in the black suit. So today I travelled onwards to Castelldefels, to Camping de la Mer. Nice little spot that we were before. Thought I'd come back just while I wait for Gary to get back this direction. I think we're meeting tomorrow, possibly heading to Casp, not 100% sure. And yeah, we'll go from there. So I'm going to leave you guys with some nice footage of Chewy getting his teeth brushed. Got it out of your system? Got it out of your system? Can I go back to making the video now? Is that okay with you? Yeah.